This process, develop project management plan, builds the overarching plan that defines, prepares, and coordinates all the components included in the plan, which is called the project management plan. The objective is to ensure that all these components work well together, so the project achieves its objectives. The plan defines how the project will be executed, monitored and controlled, and closed. So all the project work will be guided by this plan. The project charter is the key input to this process because it provides the framework and boundary of what this project entails, what is to be done, and how it is supposed to be done. The project management plan fills in all the details to guide the project team. The project manager did some background work when the project charter was developed. That work also is an input to this process to start the detailed plan. There are several plans developed by the project manager to manage various areas. Requirements management plan, scope management plan, schedule management plan, and few others. All these plans are subsidiary plans of the project management plan. They are all input to the process because these are the components of the plan and will be integrated into the plan. Without these plans, the project management plan is like an empty shell that is of no use. Also, the three baselines, scope, schedule, and cost baselines, are part of the plan. These baselines are created in the relevant knowledge area processes for the purpose of monitoring and controlling the project work. The project management plan is also baselined so that no change can be made to it without an approved change request. That is why the change management plan and the configuration management plan also form part of this plan. Both of these plans are to control the changes to the baselines, plans, and other control documents, and also track those changes in the documents. The plan also includes details about the project lifecycle as well as the development approach for the project work. Project lifecycle refers to the phases the project will go through, with a development approach that can be predictive or agile or some other approach. Now, the popular techniques used by the project manager are expert judgment by consulting various stakeholders and getting their input, checklists that help identify information that goes into the plan. These are usually standardized lists that have been developed over a period of time, and it is used by all the projects for guidance. Focus group to decide life cycle and development approach. The project manager usually facilitates the session. And one other, interviews to get specific information. The result of all this work is the project management plan consisting of several components.